Well, today I want to do a review on a great little battery operated chainsaw. This is the Ogish model, and this is a 6-inch. This is a 6-inch blade, and this particular saw is powered by the Dewalt 20-volt line of batteries. So that is what powers the unit. Very simple to operate. Simply slide the battery on, and then to make the saw go, you just press this button here, which is like a safety, and then pull the trigger, and it really zips. Now, if the blade were to get, loosened or, for some reason, this is your tensioner. So you could, increase or decrease the tension. Another thing I want to just kind of show you what's included in the package. So you got your directions. You also have a set of nice gloves, glasses. You get a extra chain, which is great. A little brush to clean it up with. And you also get a screwdriver and a little oil bottle. So just a couple of accessories that come with the kit. So what I'm going to do, I have a tree here, and I'm just going to kind of give you an example on how great it works. So we could go, take off a nice chunk just like this. And I should add too, it also has a light. So you can, when you pull the trigger, the light goes on. But for limbing, as you can see, really cuts nice. And with the 20 volt, it'll go for, you could limb several large balsam firs with this. Yeah, great little saw.